Looking for the best mechanical keyboards without breaking the bank? We've done the research, compared prices across multiple marketplaces, and found the top 5 options at the best deals available. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who loves the feel of a great keyboard, we've got you covered. Check out our top picks and find the links to the best prices in the description and pinned comment. Stay tuned and let's dive in. Starting of our list at number 5, Mad Lions MAD 68. The Mad Lions MAD 60 magnetic switch mechanical keyboard, also known as the MAD 68 wired keyboard, is a premium custom-built keyboard designed for esports gamers. Featuring high-quality magnetic switches, this mechanical keyboard ensures precise keystrokes and rapid response times, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The MAD 60 and MAD 68 variants cater to different user preferences, offering customization options for an enhanced gaming experience. Built for durability and comfort, this keyboard is a perfect gift for gamers who demand top-tier performance and aesthetics in their gaming setup. Here is the item number 4, MCHOS ACE 68. The MCHOS ACE 68 magnetic keyboard is a wired mechanical gaming keyboard designed for high-performance gaming. It features the ACE 60 Pro technology, ensuring ultra-fast response times with a 0.01mm rapid trigger mechanism. The device supports an 8000 Hz polling rate, reducing input latency to an impressive 0.125 milliseconds. Additionally, it is equipped with simultaneous opposite cardinal direction (SOCD) and reset functions for precise gaming control. The keyboard boasts a 128 kHz sampling rate, providing exceptional accuracy and responsiveness. The item number 3, Attack Shark X68 The Attack Shark X68 magnetic mechanical keyboard is a high-performance gaming keyboard designed for esports enthusiasts. It features RGB lighting and an ultra-low delay of 8000 Hz, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. With a 0.01mm real-time accuracy and a 128,000 scan rate per second, it delivers exceptional precision. The keyboard is built for competitive gaming, providing a seamless experience with rapid key response and minimal input lag. Its magnetic switches enhance durability and speed, making it an excellent choice for professional gamers. Number 2 in our list, Ajaz AK820. The Ajaz AK820 Max is a tri-mode RGB gaming mechanical keyboard designed for gamers. It supports Bluetooth, wireless 2.4 GHz, and Type-C connectivity. The keyboard features 82 keys with premium PBT keycaps, ensuring durability and comfort. Its hot-swappable design allows users to customize switches effortlessly. With vibrant RGB lighting, it enhances the gaming experience. Compatible with personal computers, it provides a seamless and responsive typing experience. The top 1 in our list, Aula F99. The Aula F99 gaming mechanical keyboard is designed for gaming and typing, featuring 99 keys with a hot-swappable design. It supports 3 connectivity modes, ***, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connection ***. Built with a *** gasket-mounted structure ***, it ensures a soft and responsive typing experience. The *** keycaps are made of polybutylene terephthalate, PBT, ***, providing durability and a premium feel. Equipped with *** customizable RGB lighting ***, it enhances the gaming setup with vibrant effects. Its ergonomic layout improves comfort, making it ideal for long gaming sessions and professional use. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best mechanical keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.